In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock people on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Snapchat app. Then go to your profile by hitting at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji, and then tap at that gear icon to open up settings. On settings, scroll down until you find Add Privacy Controls, Blocked Users. Just tap on it, and that will show you all the users that you have blocked on Snapchat. And if you want to unblock them, just hit at that cross icon and then hit on yes. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.